Am I too young for a facelift? This is a question that I get from people, or they ask, what is the ideal age for a facelift? Like a lot of things, the answer is it depends, which is very unsatisfying. So in general, I would say that people who are in their late 40s, that's probably a good age range that if you undergo an operation like a deep plane face and neck lift, for the amount of money that you spend, you should start to see a really nice change. If you wait until you're 70 and do that, I mean, you can certainly do that, but there will be a lot of other things going on in your face as well. And so, it might not just be a facelift that you need, it might be aggressive CO2 lasering, fat grafting, a whole bunch of other treatments as well, because like the horse has kind of left the barn at that point. Now, the one caveat I will say is there are some people who would benefit from this type of surgery much younger. And so the people that I'm thinking of for that, you could even do this operation on someone in their 20s. It's just a very specific subset of people. These are people who have very genetically heavy necks and they have quite big submandibular glands. And so they have that look because of deep structural anatomy in their neck. It's not something that's going to respond to like diet and exercise, and it's not something that's going to respond to less invasive non-surgical treatment like a Morpheus 8 or a CO2 laser. Other than that one specific scenario, I mean, I would say mid to late 40s is when, you'll really start to see a nice change. It's actually worth the cost of the surgery and worth the downtime. If you have any other questions about timing for facial aesthetic surgery, drop them below. We'll do our best to answer them.